The 200-watt flexible solar panel by Greenmagic showcases impressive efficiency with its advanced monocrystalline material, achieving a conversion rate between 23 and 25%. Its lightweight and bendable design, capable of flexing up to 260 degrees, makes it ideal for various curved surfaces, enhancing portability and ease of installation. Crafted with IP68 waterproof ETFE material, this solar panel is built to withstand extreme weather conditions, ensuring durability across a wide range of environments. The panel's high-level 10 busbar cell design not only increases power output, but also extends the product's lifespan by maximizing the cell's receiving surface. This solar panel's design allows it to be installed in spaces where traditional rigid panels cannot, making it perfect for maximizing space on curved surfaces like RV roofs. With a 1-year warranty, users can confidently invest in this product, knowing they have support for any quality issues that may arise.